Here we have another Duracell failure. This time a cordless thermometer. This is my equipment. This was the thermometer I had in the bedroom, and I have no idea why these piece of garbage, awful, deplorable, worst batteries on the planet ever to exist were installed in this thermometer. I certainly would not have purchased them. I'm surprised I even used them. I guess maybe somebody gave them to me. But this failure, like so many of the other ones, is completely uncalled for. There are certain scenarios where a battery failure could be accepted. Not acceptable, but accepted, such as past the expiration date or discharged and left in the device for an extended period of time. Just think of a few examples. But this was not either of those cases or anything like it. This was batteries working properly one day and leaked the next. This thermometer takes 3 batteries. I checked the other 2 batteries. This one was in the middle. I checked the other 2 batteries that was on the side. Duracell. They are both charged up with a full charge. There was no low battery indicator on the thermometer. So it went from working properly to catastrophic overnight in a couple hours. I don't know how long it takes for a battery to become like this. So it leaked everywhere. It was leaking liquid. You can see the liquids all in the battery compartment here. This is all corroded on the end. It's all corroded on the top. There's battery acid everywhere. The terminals here are all corroded. I think I caught it in time that it won't be ruined. I can probably clean the terminals with isopropyl alcohol and salvage the equipment. But what a joke. Those other 2 Duracell batteries, even though they still have a charge, are in the trash. This one will go in the trash after the video, and I'm going to go around and check all of the other thermometers to make sure that I didn't put these garbage batteries in any of the other thermometers, because I don't want them to get ruined. As I've said on a video many times before, Duracell batteries are not at all what they used to be. Duracell is garbage. It is the worst battery brand you can purchase. It leaks uncontrollably, notoriously, and consistently, and I can't even begin to explain how many pieces of equipment I've received that were ruined because of Duracell batteries. It's deplorable. Never buy these batteries. If you only throw them out, because they will almost certainly ruin whatever you put them in.